My name is Mazziah Young. I'm a senior at Jeffersontown High School, and I work for General Maintenance.
The main part of our welding program is trying to get kids to go to work. So employability skills, we're trying to get our kids at the time of graduation, or even a few of them before, just like Mazziah was her junior year, into a welding co-op, an internship, or just transition ready and ready for a career at time of graduation.
So far I've been in HVAC, I've been in electric, I've been in the lock shop. Right now I'm working with glass.
We're going to get this piece of glass cut. We're going to use our glass pliers.
What's great about them coming into general maintenance, it's not just one skill. They get to learn electrical, plumbing, HVAC, carpentry work, lock shop. And so for them to get out of school and then have all this experience in these multiple trades, it's a menu for them to pick from. And so it's a great opportunity for young kids to get that. They're not just stuck to one discipline.
Actually, I do want to stay at JCPS for general maintenance, but I actually want to go to the lock shop. For now, doing a lot of stuff that most people would think about.
So to grow your own, per se, we take our students and we teach them and train them and employ them. Yeah, I mean, I'll hope it continues.
It's helped a lot because it's like, wow, this is not just one thing. Like, people actually take their time out to keep the schools up and running and keep it going. And it's just amazing what they actually do.
Well, Mazziah Young is a student at J-Town who makes sure that she's at work on time every day. That's one thing we don't have to worry about her. The feedback we've had from all the journeymen that she's worked with, I haven't had one bad word said about her. I mean, it's just nothing but good stuff. And for her to bring that youthful energy into it and that desire to learn, that's who she is.
Awesome. And you can put that over there on the scrap pile.